Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Zoom with Microsoft Outlook. First things first, we have to create ourselves an account at zapier.com or log into our existing account if you're familiar with this website. So once we are in here, we want to focus on top left corner where is this plus button of Create Zap. And we want to click on it. ZAP stands for integration, so that's some kind of, self-explanatory, I would say. On top left corner, we can still manage to name our ZAP. I'm gonna name it to Zoom to Outlook. And then we have a trigger here, or trigger option. So, the app event that will trigger this whole integration will come from Zoom. So we pick Zoom, then let's go to the event itself. New meeting registrant, new recording, or new registrant. Let's go with a new meeting. We hit continue. Now we have to log into our account. Just pick the account that you want to work on, set up a trigger. Let's go with a meeting, for example, continue. And now we have to test the trigger. At the moment, in my Zoom account, I don't have any meetings scheduled. So from my point of view, this won't suffice. So let's move to the action number 2. And here we are going to write down Outlook and pick the Microsoft Outlook option. When we click on events, obviously there is way more events that can match our trigger. So when the new meeting in Zoom appears, it will create an event in Microsoft Outlook. Once we pick the event that we want to, it doesn't have to be this one. We hit continue, and then yet again we have to log into the account. And in my case, it's this Microsoft Outlook account. We hit continue and then pick from the calendar. Let's go with this one. Also, we have the subject, but first of all, I would have to actually finish this trigger. But you are one step away from finishing this integration successfully. So don't worry, you'll get there without any problems. If you have any types of questions, guys, please leave them underneath this video and I'll answer you as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.